Hello, Jay from Downing and Nelson Company. I wanted to make a quick video describing the difference between hot water extraction, which is also known as steam cleaning, versus encapsulation. I was working on this video for a while and I was making it so complicated I was actually confusing myself. So basically, I'm going to kind of simplify it and just describe it in much easier terms. What you're seeing right now is hot water extraction. This is very similar to washing your clothes. So we've put down a cleaner. That cleaner is now being extracted out to our truck mount using this tool, which is called a zipper tool. The two hoses are connected to the truck. The truck is supplying all the power. The alternative for commercial carpet cleaning is something called encapsulation. I had a long scientific answer for what encapsulation is, but in reality it's basically a crystallizing polymer that we apply to the carpet, and then it dries to the crystal, and as you vacuum it out, or as your maintenance staff vacuums the carpet, it continues to basically remove dirt because it's surrounded that dirt. It's removed through vacuuming over the next 4 or so vacuums. As you can see in the video you're seeing right now, we're looking at a very heavily soiled gym. There's a lot of drink spills, and this is where encapsulation really shines. It really surrounds those spills and it extracts it out through the vacuuming. Some of the benefits of encapsulation over hot water extraction: it's cheaper for you as a property manager. There's less liability. This cleaner dries very quickly. There's no hoses. There's no loud trucks. It's a different type of cleaning than hot water extraction. One of the questions I basically get all the time is, which one works better? We in conjunction with both systems, we usually use them together. We'll use hot water extraction at the entrances, and we'll use encapsulation throughout the building or the long hallways. I think when you're basically tag teaming together, I think that's the perfect combination. I wouldn't say one works better. I think that together, coming to a process, you basically are able to create a cleaning schedule that uses both systems effectively on whatever carpet you're cleaning. So I hope this kind of explains a little better. If you have any more questions, give me a call. I'm always here, and I'd like to answer any questions that you have, and we can always give you a free in-house quote and go over additional benefits for both systems and both services. Thanks so much. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye.